Okay.
Okay, so you undo the screw. Okay, then the handle comes off. Okay, then you spanner on there.
Yeah.
Got that? Turn it. Now, before you do all this, you have to make sure you turn the water off.
Yeah.
Okay, otherwise you get a flood.
Yeah, sure.
So then that undoes that. Okay. And then I just check. Always check that, and that's all smooth. Okay. So the inside's smooth. So I don't need to do what I did with the other one.
Yeah.
Because that's already smooth. If you run your finger in there, wait for me to show my finger. Want to show my finger?
Yeah, sure.
Finger around it, and it's all smooth.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's good. And see all that grease?
Yeah.
See how shiny that is now?
Yeah.
Okay. So then I put a little bit of grease, a little bit of this.
What this?
See the photo of that? Okay. That's a little bit of grease. It's clean grease. And you put it on there around that. So that when it goes up into the nice new clean part, it moves easy.
Ah.
Okay, so it moves easy. No, no. And then put that clip back in there. Push it in. So that clip means it doesn't come out. So the clip holds it. Okay, and then we take that washer out, and we inside a bit cleaner, eh?
Yeah.
That's a bit spongy though. See those little slits? So that goes in one way, and see that sits over that. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you got to put in your washer in. Tighten up. It just sits over the top, pushes down. That screw goes in there again to hold it on. This goes on top. Blue for cold.
Yeah.
Red for hot.
Yeah. Great.
Right. Now turn the water. Okay.
Yes.
Turn the valve clockwise to turn off, and turn the valve anti-clockwise to turn back on.
Ah, okay.
Okay.